Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I have a pretty cool project in my opinion. I'm going to be taking an old teddy bear that I actually got at the dollar store and some leftover felt that I had and a phone case from the dollar store, and I will be making a cute little teddy bear phone case. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it looks nice, but here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cute little teddy bear. I actually got him at the dollar store, and I'm going to kind of cut open his back. I know, it sounds mean. I'm sorry. It's gonna be okay. Alright, it's gonna be okay. I guess you can basically just line up the phone case to kind of where you want it. Like, I don't exactly want it all the way down on his back, you know, kind of like up here, I guess, would be nice. So I'm going to cut a line down his back. Oh my god, I feel so bad. I'm so sorry. It's gonna be okay, I promise. And then you want to cut it to like the size of your phone case. Okay, now that I have it cut, I'm going to cut 2 sections to the side so my phone case can fit. Working with this bear is a little tricky because of all the fluff, but it's alright. Now I'm going to take out some of the stuffing, just a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this felt, and I'm basically just going to cut around like an inch, like around it, just leaving an inch, and then I'm going to cut a piece of felt out. Next I'm going to cut the corners off so it lays a little bit better. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to like put my phone case in just to see if it fits, and I think it's actually going to be pretty good. There's going to be enough room in there for my phone case to fit. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the felt and just kind of shove it in there. And I'm going to sew the bear around the felt. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is sew this in here. Okay, so that was a little trickier than I thought, but with enough patience, I was able to sew in the felt to the bear. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some fabric tack glue, and I'm going to put glue on the felt and on the back of the phone case. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, I'm actually going to go get a heavy book to put on top of it. Okay, so back with a heavy book, and I'm basically just going to just kind of flop it right on top, kind of like that. And then I'm going to leave that sit for, let's say, probably a good hour. Just because I don't really know how long this will take to dry, and I really want it to be stuck on there. So I'm going to let this sit for a good hour, and when I come back, we will test it out. So that is pretty much it. That is how I created the teddy bear phone case, and I think it looks really cute. I'm really happy with it. I think it turns adorable. It turned out adorable. There were a couple bumps in the road, but it's alright. I managed. I'm overall happy with it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!